Hello friends, let us talk about the losses in transformers. Okay, we have studied about the principal construction and working of a transformer. Now let us go to the losses in transformer. This is equally important. Okay, do not miss this topic because as the question of transformer, mostly 1 mark question will be based upon losses. So let us list about what are the losses. Copper loss, iron loss, flux loss, hysteresis loss and humming loss. The first is copper loss. Very simple to understand. See, all the wires in the primary and secondary are made up of copper. And when the current is passed through them, they have their finite resistance. Because of this finite resistance, energy in electrical form will be getting converted into energy in the form of heat, and that is known as heat loss or copper loss. Now this loss can be minimized. This loss can be minimized if the resistance of the wire is very less. How can we make the resistance of wire very less? Instead of using thin wires, we'll be using very thick wires. Okay, that was for copper loss. Now for the iron loss. See, iron loss is also known as the eddy current loss. You can also call it as eddy current loss. See, when the magnetic flux is going from primary coil to the secondary coil, it has to go through this iron material, right? Now, when changing flux is passing through this iron material, what is generated in this? This is eddy current which is generated in this soft iron core. Now, because of this eddy currents, see, according to law of conservation of energy, you can never get any electric current unless you expend some energy. तो प्राइमरी में से जो एनर्जी आती है वो सारी की सारी सेकेंडरी के साथ में एसोसिएटेड नहीं होती. Some of the energy is also utilized in making these eddy currents. Okay, that is what? That is the second one, iron loss. Can we minimize this loss? Yes, we can minimize these loss if we can minimize the eddy currents. How do we minimize eddy currents? See, the entire bulk of the core, which is made up of soft iron, it is not made from one single piece of soft iron, but many different thin plates of soft iron are combined together. They are laminated. What is the, or how they are laminated? They are laminated by varnish. So what is the use of varnish? See, if we use varnish to glue two plates, that means eddy currents, because varnish is an insulator, eddy currents of one plate cannot combine with the eddy currents of the neighboring plate. And so the magnitude of eddy currents can be controlled. Clear? So by doing this, by using such a core, you can minimize iron loss or eddy current loss. The third loss is flux loss. Okay, what is this flux loss? See, in the derivation, we have taken d phi by dt equals to primary also and secondary also, but this is not 100% true. Actually, if there are 100 magnetic field lines produced in the primary, 99 of those flux lines will be going and getting associated with the secondary, right? That one magnetic field line or that 1% magnetic field line, because they have mutual repulsion, okay, just like electric field lines, they also mutually pressurize each other. Few field lines will be produced in the primary, but they will not get associated with the secondary. This is flux loss. Can we minimize flux loss? Yes, flux loss is also minimized if we use iron core, soft iron core. We are already using it. So we have already minimized this flux loss. Number 4 is hysteresis loss. I will come to that later on. Number 5, humming loss. What is this humming? If you have seen very powerful electrical instruments, they always make some kind of humming sound like this. ओके, तो ऐसी साउंड हमेशा आपको ट्रांसफार्मर से या हैवी मशीनरी से आती रहती है. सपोज इफ यू गो फॉर ए पावर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हाउस, जो पावर हाउस होता है हर सिटी में एक, वहां आप जाओ तो देयर विल ऑलवेज बी दिस काइंड ऑफ हमिंग साउंड. ठीक है, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस हमिंग साउंड वहां पे कोई बर्ड्स वगैरह ऐसे नहीं आ पाते. ऑल राइट, तो वो एटमॉस्फेयर को भी नुकसान करता है, एनवायरनमेंट को भी लॉस करता है और हमारी एनर्जी भी लॉस होती है. एनर्जी कैसे लॉस होती है? सी, साउंड इज मेड when one plate and another plate, they are, suppose if one plate is getting north and south, the other plate, उसमें मैग्नेटिज्म ऐसा बना कि वो इस प्लेट को पहले अट्रैक्ट करेगा फिर रिपेल करेगा, बिकॉज द करंट कीप्स ऑन चेंजिंग. कौन सा करंट डाल रहे हैं यहाँ पे? AC current which keeps on changing like this. So between two adjacent plates there will always be attraction repulsion. जैसे आप मंजीरे बजाते हो ना, पहले दूर लेके जाते हो फिर पास लेके आते हो, ठीक है, just like that in plates में भी ऐसा ही कुछ होता है and sound is produced. Now sound is again a form of energy. And from where is that energy? What is the source of that energy? Again, the energy supplied to the primary, some portion of it is getting converted into sound energy. That is also a loss. Getting it? Now nothing can be done for that humming loss. Humming loss के लिए हम ज़्यादा कुछ कर नहीं सकते, ठीक है, बस ये कर सकते हैं कि भाई इनको ग्लू थोड़ा अच्छे से करें. That is all. And now coming to the last, hysteresis loss. ये जो hysteresis वाला टॉपिक है, it is not in your syllabus, लेकिन यहाँ पे इसको थोड़ा सा जान लेना ज़रूरी है. सी मेरे पास एक आयरन का पीस है, मैं उसे मैग्नेटाइज करता हूं, ठीक है, तो एनर्जी खर्च होती है. अगर मैं उसे डीमैग्नेटाइज करता हूं, अगेन एनर्जी इज स्पेंड. अगेन आई रीमैग्नेटाइज इट, एनर्जी इज स्पेंड. अगेन आई डीमैग्नेटाइज इट, एनर्जी इज स्पेंड. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन दिस कोर ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मर? व्हेन द पॉजिटिव साइकिल ऑफ AC is going on, this is getting magnetized. In the negative cycle it is getting demagnetized. Again in the positive cycle it is getting magnetized. Again in the negative cycle it is getting demagnetized. And because of all this, ठीक है, lots of energy is wasted and this energy is known as hysteresis loss. All right, please prepare the losses accordingly because they also form, they also make one of the frequently asked questions from the transformer.